I always just like to keep my countertops clean, toilet seat clean. Like, I just like to keep my house clean all the time. Like, I like to keep my hands moisturized. The scent is very soft, very light. And that's what my hands are looking like. I like the way the wine glasses look, and I've always wanted to get some. I don't have any, so I was like, you know what? We gotta get some wine glasses. New year, my new year of life. Hey YouTube, my name is Kharyzma and my channel is Kharyzma for You, and I do videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything else. So today is just a cool, chill video. I have a Dollar Tree haul for you guys. I wasn't even sure if I was gonna vlog. Okay, so we all know, well, I don't know if in your Dollar Tree they just give those brown bags that don't have handles. I always have to bring my bag. This is just a reusable TJ Maxx bag, and it has all those dogs on it. I'm a dog lover. Yes, I am. I know I don't have a dog. I did at one point, but I don't, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna get one, but I would like one. Oh, okay, so we got some home goods. I mainly went to Dollar Tree because I needed some cleaning supplies. So we'll start off with this. This is Comet Classic All-Purpose Cleaner with Bleach. Cleans with the power of bleach. And I normally get the Lysol or the Clorox brand, but Comet is pretty good. I've used their powder before for the tub, so I'm like, you know what, if I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree, let me stick to the name brand stuff, so at least I know like the quality. Sometimes like the off-brand stuff doesn't work as good, so I use this like for the tub, the countertops, the sink. It's all purpose, and I always just like to keep my countertops clean, toilet seat clean. Like, I just like to keep my house clean all the time. Like, I do clean like a deep cleaning, but then I have maintenance cleanings every single day. But I just like my house to always be clean. I literally just cleaned part of the house because there's so much stuff here to clean, like my windows, and then I have lots of mirrors, lots of glass. So instead of doing everything in one day, I just like do it room by room. Now I have to clean the kitchen and I gotta clean the bathroom, so that's why I needed this. So next up, I got Spick and Span Antibacterial Cleaner Disinfectant. Now, last time I got the Fabuloso. I don't really like Fabuloso at all. I thought it would have made a difference because it said it's antibacterial and it kills COVID, but I still didn't, I don't know, it didn't seem strong enough. Like Fabuloso, all it does is have a nice, kind of nice smell. To me, I don't know, the smell is nice, but it's a cheap, nice smell. I don't know, that's just me. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try Spick and Span because it's an old time product and it is a name brand. I don't know if people still use it, but when I smelled it, it smelled a lot like the Pine Sol, which I really, really like. Yes, I like this, and this smells like it's going to clean. Like, it has like a lemon scent, but you smell that chemical scent in there. I try not to use too many chemicals, but since COVID-19, I've been using some stuff that say kills the germs or whatever. Use it sparingly. I wear gloves, and you know, you got to be careful because it's toxic. So I needed air fresheners and stuff like that. They didn't have the Glade air fresheners. They had the off-brand air fresheners, so I was like, okay, I'm not gonna get them. So instead, I just got these, you know, the gels. You just take it off, and then you see the gel inside or whatever. I hope everybody has seen this. And this is the clean linen scent. So yeah, you just open it up like that, and then this gives off a nice clean linen scent. It smells really, really good, and these are the Glade ones. So I got two, one for the kitchen, one for the bathroom. And then I decided to try something different for my room. Now this is Sure Scents Hawaiian Smell air freshener solid gel. So it's a gel as well. I think you just, I don't know. Oh, I probably gotta take this off or whatever. Let me see right now. Okay, so this is it right here, and inside it's just like that. And it smells really, really good. It's by Sure Scents, and that's a brand that Dollar Tree sells, and it smells good, so I think it's going to be really, really good for my room. So I'm so happy. So I got the two Glades linen scent and this, because I haven't gotten smell goods in a while. Guys, I haven't even gone to Bath and Body Works, and you know they have their semi-annual sale right now. So also for the house, I got these wet sweeper cloths refills. So if you have a Swiffer duster, like, is it a duster or a Swiffer mop? Like, you know, you can use the dry cloth and then you can use the wet cloths. So I decided to get the wet cloth. I haven't tried this brand before because I usually get the one by Swiffer, but these are 20 refill cloths, and I use them for maintenance. Like during the week when I just want to mop up the bathroom really quick, I can just take one of these and just mop up really quick so the bathroom can be clean, it can smell good. So I haven't tried these yet, so I'm gonna try them. But for $1.25 and 20 cloths, not bad, because normally I think the other one is like $4 or $5, I think, for maybe like 12 or 14. I don't remember because I have not bought it in a while. But like I told you in my last Dollar Tree video, if I can find something similar at Dollar Tree and it works just as fine, there's no point in me spending money that I don't have to spend. It's all about saving that money and investing it. Stuff for the house. I have decided to get wine glasses because I don't have any. I'm not a wine drinker like that. Like, I drink socially, like for birthdays, parties, New Year's, stuff like that. But like personally, like, I'm not the one where I'm gonna be at home by myself drinking wine or drinking alcohol like that. That's not me. But I like the way the wine glasses look, and I've always wanted to get some. I don't have any, so I was like, you know what, we gotta get some wine glasses. New year, my new year of life. My birthday just passed May 18th, so I'm trying new things. I'm doing new things, and you're gonna see a lot of new things, new content on my channel. So I got two just for now. It was hard to find some that matched because they had different kinds and some that look similar. These to me still don't look like they perfectly match, but it was close enough. I didn't want to go through all of the glasses to make sure, like, okay, this match. So I was like, okay, let me just get the one that's closer. I feel like this one is a little bit bigger. The stem is a little bit thicker, like I could tell by how it feels. But when I do my videos, when I decide to do like girly, chatty, sit down videos, we can have some wine glasses. It's not gonna be wine in them. I'm probably gonna put like some juice in them or something like that, but it's still gonna look nice and pretty and aesthetic. So yeah, I got some wine glasses from the Dollar Tree. When I fix up, I'm almost done with like cleaning up some of the clutter in here. I'm gonna be inviting people over. And that was all for the home goods. So now for the snacks, I didn't get too much stuff. I got some mini pretzels, and they had different brands, but again, I try to stick to the brands I know when going to Dollar Tree, so at least I know, okay, I'm getting a bargain and I know what the quality is gonna be. I've eaten Snyder's pretzels before. It says non-GMO, low fat, or whatever. I've had this brand, so I'm like, okay, and this is the 10-ounce bag for $1.25. You cannot beat that. So yeah, got me some pretzels. I also got, which I already started eating, but I was like, let me not eat it all so I can have something to show you guys. Some Twizzlers. Yes, I do like Twizzlers, and it doesn't have anything that's non-vegan in it, so I think it's okay. I've been eating them anyway, not all the time, once in a blue. I think the last time I had them was when I went to the Dollar Tree the last time before my birthday, so not too bad. And then some Mike and Ike Berry Blast. So those are the only snacks that I got. We're trying to watch what we're eating. Summertime is coming. We're gonna have that bikini body ready for summer, or at least one-piece body. I wear a bikini. Last year I wore a bikini, so I was okay. Okay, so now this is for, no, one more that's not. I got a card. My friend she just had surgery, so let me show you the card. Of course, I'm gonna put something in it, and I'm gonna get some flowers and stuff like that, but I'm gonna visit her soon. She doesn't watch my YouTube videos, so yeah, this is a get well soon card. I did not see too much in their beauty section. I was looking for the eye patches. I really need those eye patches. I want to try them so badly. So if you guys know, well, you're not gonna know what Dollar Tree is around me, but if you know of any good eye patches, please leave it in the comments. You know, the ones that you have to dip into something and then you just put it on. I want to try those so bad. I want to try them. So I got the Dove Nourishing Body Care, and again, I got it because it was Dove. So you know, Dove has a reputation for being good, and I just needed like a hand cream for my bag when I go to dance class. You know, I'm always washing my hands and stuff like that, and on my way back it says it's 48-hour moisturization and hydration for face and body. I don't think I'm gonna be putting it on my face. I don't put too many different products on my face, so I'm gonna use it on my hands, but we'll see. I've never tried this before. Let me see. Oh, it has that on it. Let's try it right now. Hold on. All right, so I just did a little bit. You're gonna see. This is the thickness. Okay, so it's not so thick. I literally just washed my hands, so we're gonna see. It smells good. I like it. I like it. This is perfect. This is exactly what I was looking for. So like when I'm out and about and I wash my hands, you know, I always like to keep my hands moisturized. The scent is very soft, very light. And that's what my hands are looking like. 2.53 ounces. So yes, the Dove Nourishing Body Care for face and body. Find yours at your local Dollar Tree. Now I decided to try this gel by LA Looks Extreme Sport. The reason why I decided to try it, first of all, because it said Extreme Sport, and I'm a dancer, so when I go to dance class, sometimes when I do my buns, not all the gels will hold up, so I wanted to try it. And also it says alcohol free, so I was like, you know what, let me try it. It's 8 ounces. And I have run out of my Eco Styler. I haven't used Eco Styler in such a long time, so I'm like, you know what, for $1.25, let me try this. So I will let you guys know. I might do a video on it, I don't know. I will let you guys know how this works. Next up, I got some eczema cream, but I had eczema as a child. It's gotten really better since I've gotten older, but every now and then I get flare-ups, and for the life of you, I cannot tell you why. I know it has to do sometimes with things that you eat, but I haven't changed anything in my diet, so usually it comes around my birthday. Last year, I didn't get it around my birthday. That was like one of the first years it did not come. But this year, I'm noticing, I don't know if you guys can see a little bit, I have a breakout. And normally it's like right here. Sometimes on my forearms, I have a little bit. Yeah, this forearm, you can see it here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can see it. So this year, definitely it came. It's on my forearm, and it's right here. You can see kind of the discoloration a little bit. It's not too bad. It's gotten really bad in the past. So I'm going to see. I probably got to go to the dermatologist because I went last year, I think it was. And he was like, yeah, I went last year a little before my birthday because I wanted to do an allergy test. And I was like, okay. He gave me an allergy test. He was like, it's fine. Then he was like, if it comes up by your birthday, come back and let me see. But it didn't come that year. So now it came this year. So I guess I should call him and go so that he could look at it while it's on me, so he could tell me what it is. It could very well just be the pollen or whatever. That could easily be it too. So I don't know. So I got this. I normally would get like the, what's it called? Cortisone. But again, this is Dollar Tree. Cortisone, it's a little bit more pricey, but I don't know. I'll try it. If it doesn't work, I will get the cortisone because a lot of times the off-brand ones do not work. So I will try it and let you guys know. But yeah, usually it comes around my birthday and then like it goes away. And that's it. Like I don't have no issues with it. So we will see. So that's it for my Dollar Tree haul. Be sure to give this video a like. Check me out on Instagram. I will leave all the information in the description. And also check out my websites for lip gloss, charismaforyou.com, as well as my hair accessories, etsy.com/shop/charismaforyou. I love you all. Thank you for watching.